I pa svima ljudi, ja sam Frkafico i danas ne igram u Fortnite, nego nakon dugo vremena smo nazad. Video nije sponzoriran od ove aplikacije Yarn. To je aplikacija u kojoj su neke creepy story. Da. Imate ih puno, makar nisu samo creepy, evo, memes. Ja sam danas odabrao Bloody and Buried. Danas ćemo čitati prve 2 epizode, u sljedećem videu ćemo čitati zadnje 2. Pa eto, krenemo. Trebalo je biti scary. Rox, you are totally missing out right now. The sunset hike is unreal. I wish you could see this. Oh my god, you still went? Without me? Oh my god, now I feel even worse. I'm sorry, I want to go, but I forgot about this work event. Trust me, I'd rather be there and then at this stupid thing. Yeah, girl, missing out big time. I haven't seen a sunset like this in forever. Ugh, I'm jealous. Don't trip, girl. Plenty of sunsets to see. Inače, ako čujete možda televizor u pozadini, ispričavam se, ali moram gledati. Plenty of sunsets to see. We can go another time soon. Yes, we have to. I still can't believe you went alone. Especially at sunset. It gets so dark out there. Whoa. I would feel so creeped out being in the dark in the middle of nowhere. You're brave. Come on, girl. You know I love doing stuff like this. Even by myself, I don't care. I don't even care. I love it. I don't care. I don't care. I love it. I know, lol. You are very... What the fuck is that? Okay. Da. Okay. Independent. Samostalno. I sabudala. Znam, lol, jako ste samostalni, ovo je istina. I'm heading back now. Sun finally just went down. Wanna meet up later for a drink? Once I'm done with this event? Yeah, I'm down. Just text me. 13 minutes later. OMG, Roxy! Oh my god, Roxy! I can't believe this. Holy shit, I'm like shaking right now. Roxy's typing. Lil, what's up? What's going on? Are you okay? No. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I was just hiking back to my car, but it's just so dark. So I got a little lost finding my way back. And then I heard some voices, male voices. And I stumbled into this group of guys. And what? What did they do? What happened? You won't believe what I saw them doing. I can't even process that right now. It's so dark, but I saw them through the trees. It's this group of big guys, and they're standing in a circle around this big pile. I'm an idiot. Gomila. Well, but I couldn't see what the pile was. It just kind of looked like dirt. So I peered through the bushes, and I finally see what they're standing around. Jesus, Lil, just tell me. What is it? Rocks. It's really dark, but I'm pretty sure it's a body, Rox. They're burying it. They're burying a fucking body, Roxy. Fuck. I don't know what to do. Get away from them. Are you serious? Are you sure it's a body? I'm pretty sure Rox is wrapped up in shit, but I see blood stains all over it. And then I heard one of them say, make sure the hole is deep enough. We don't want anyone to find this guy. Holy shit. I want to get out of here, but I can't even move. What? Why? Lil, get the fuck out or off there right now. It's not safe. You have no idea who these guys are or what they're capable of. I can't. If I move, they could see me or hear me. Who knows what they would do if they saw me? I could end up like the body, bloody and buried in the ground. Jesus Christ, Lil, what are you doing to do? Oh my god. What? What are you doing to do? What are you going to do? I don't fucking know, Rox. What does one do in a situation like this? I just saw someone bury a dead body in the hills. It's a pitch black outside. I'm completely alone. What the fuck do I do? Okay. Listen, you have to stay calm. Breathe. Calm. Smiren. Kad vidiš mrtvo tijelo i grupu ljudi koje ga zakapa i vjerojatno je ubojstvo. I ova Rox je normalna. Breathe. You don't want them to notice you. Can you answer this for me? Where exactly are you? Rox, I don't even know. I tried looking at my maps on my phone, but service out here is terrible. I'm barely able to get this text out to you. They're taking forever to send. Can you send me your location? That's what I mean. I can't. It won't even locate me right now. Oh, okay. Maybe I should wait here until they leave. Okay, good. That's not a bad idea. I'll just sit here and wait. Bad, but it's getting cold. Don't focus on that. Oh my freaking gosh. I'm so fucked. Shit, Rox. Come on. Mrzim kad neko tak tipka. Aj, još jedna. What? What's happening? I think they heard me. Oh shit. I was making noise. My phone was on silent, but I guess somehow it switched on loud. So when you texted me, they heard it. OMG. How do you know? I can hear them talking. At first they were like, whose phone is that? And everyone was like, not mine. So they're looking around now. I think someone is spying on them. Oh my god. Who are they? Rox, this feels weird. I think there's some kind of gang. I mean, it has to be, right? What do they look like? Gosh, I can't hardly tell. Looks like most of them are wearing black. People in black. Люди в църном. Oh my god. But I see a lot of them wearing dark green too. One has a dark green hat, one has a dark green coat, another has the dark shoes. Hold on. What? I'm googling this. Oh god, thinking. And? OMG. They're for sure a gang. From the sound of it, looks like this is the Greenstone gang. McGraw Street. Oni su zeleni. The what? Oh my god, what do I do? Why are they in the canyon? I'm reading a few articles now that say they mainly stay in the valley. The valley seems to be their normal turf. Well, maybe they just come to canyons when they're burying a freaking body. Well, you have to get out of there, like now. These guys are not kind of people you want to mess with. I'm reading an article now that says their mob boss is Max Stone. 3 months ago, he was accused of murdering a girl for snitching on one of his gang members. She went missing and her family blamed him for her disappearance, saying he must have killed her. But, come on, zak je tak dugački? They let him off because they didn't have enough evidence to subvert the accusations. Max? Oh my god. Rocks. Max is here, right now. I keep hearing them say Max. This has to be him. Jesus Christ, Lily, please, stay quiet. They cannot find you. Are you sure it's him? What does he look like? Oh my god, I can't barely talk. Moram staviti pauzu malo. I evo mene natrag nakon par minuta. What does he look like? Does he have black slicked back hair? Yes! Rox, I'm going to die out here. No, you're not. I'm going to call the cops. And say what? Your friend is lost in the canyon? How are they going to find me? They'll send search parties out. I don't know. This isn't safe. Maybe if the cops come, it'll scare them off. Okay, fine. Do it. But Rox, what if they find me before the cops come? They'll know I was one who sent for the cops. Don't worry about it. Just focus on staying safe right now. I'm G. They're moving toward me. I'm G. They're moving toward me. Sad sam I pjesnik, čovječe. Rox, if they come and any closer, they're going to find me. Hide. I can't. There's nowhere to hide. I'm going to have a run. Shit. I'm making a round for it now. I'll text you when I can. Oh man, will be safe. Uglavnom to smo pročitali i sutra ili prekosutra, ovisi kad, ću snimiti ostale 2 epizode. Što sam rekao, video nije sponzoriran, nemojte to misliti. Zanimljive su stvari, instalirajte aplikaciju ako vam se da. Neću staviti link u opis jer nije sponzorirano, ne smijem. Samo napišite YARN na Google Play, to je to. Uglavnom to je bilo to za ovaj video, nadam se da su uživali, ako da, mi se čujemo u sljedećem videu. Ne, ako da, ostavite like, share, ostavite like i sub, obavezno se subajte. Lajkajte video i šerajte sa prijateljima da svi youtuberi kažu da se i oni zabave. Ne, zato da dobijemo više view-ova. Tako da, to je bilo to za video. Pozdrav.